Southeast Green, Southeast Monroe, and Unicoi. High wind watch remains in effect from Monday afternoon through Tuesday afternoon. What? Southeast winds 25 to 40 miles per hour with gusts up to 70 miles per hour possible. Where? The higher elevations and foothills of the East Tennessee mountains. When? From Monday afternoon through Tuesday afternoon. Impacts. Damaging winds could blow down trees and power lines. Widespread power outages are possible. Travel could be difficult, especially for high-profile vehicles. Fire danger will be increased until rain arrives. Monitor the latest forecasts and warnings for updates on this situation. Fasten loose objects or shelter objects in a safe location prior to the onset of winds. The following is